everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Xclash dear server not reachable error. If the game cannot connect, here's a quick way to get back online. Check your internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if this refreshes the server connections. Next, restart the app. Force close the class Xclash and reopen it. This refreshes the server connection. Next, to restart your iPhone, hold the power plus volume, slide to power off, then turn it back on to the clear temporary network glitches. Now you're going to update your app. So go to the App Store, search for Xclash class, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, update the class X to the latest version. Server errors often happen on outdated versions. And privacy tip: avoid public Wi-Fi when logging into your to keep your account safe. Quick fix: if it still shows this error, wait for a few minutes. The server might be down temporarily. Contact Xclass support if the issue persists. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast mobile game fixes.